Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. You're watching Tech World. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Laurentian Bank of Canada. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name Laurentian badly, but that's how I pronounce it. Alright, so sorry for my bad English. Alright, so let's get into the video on how it can log in into it. And Laurentian Bank is the Bank of Canada, and it's a pretty big Bank of Canada. Alright, so that's basically basic information about it. You want to know more about it again, visit the official website Laurentian NBA CA. They've shown upside on Laurentian Bank of Canada visited to know more about it. Let's get into the video, shall we? But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our channel, but notification on to get notified for future videos. First step, you want to search for Laurentian Bank of Canada. After the source where you want to click a Laurentian Bank Financial Group over here. After you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website, the ones over here. Basically, what you want to do is want to click on Dresses Personal, because I want to log in into personal account. You guys have a business, you want to go in business account, but I want to log in into personal, so I'm going to go on Personal Quicken Personal Banking. It's going to take me to the page where I can log in over here. I'm going to go on personal because I have a personal account. For commercial, you click on commercial. I have a personal, I'm going to go on personal over here. Once I click on personal, it's going to take me over here, and over here I need to enter my access code over here. After entering my access code, I need to enter the password of my account over here. After I do that, I just click on enter. Once you do that, I should be able to log in into my account. So that's basically how it is. So hope you guys are able to understand the video. If you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe, rate channel with notification on. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.